Hey everybody, how are ya?
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
So what did you do for Thanksgiving? Well, Danny got a bath and now she has a boo-boo on her foot because I was clipping her nails and she jerked and she got nipped, so she was bleeding. So we put a little bandage so she didn't bleed all over everywhere. And my older sister is carving the turkey. She invited me over for Thanksgiving dinner again this year. Since I've been traveling, what a wonderful thing that I've been able to spend this holiday with her and her husband, children, and grandchildren. And my niece made this. My niece Molly, she made that cranberry dip. Oh my God, it's cranberry salsa. It is so good. So good. I'll even put the recipe up for you. Along with everything else that we have going on, the deviled eggs and the turkey, and you can't forget this rice. Yes, we do. We have rice at every meal in my sister's home. That is their part of their tradition. My brother-in-law is Asian, and
We have rice at every meal.
so we have an Italian, Japanese, Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday it may be. And we always have rice. We love our Japanese sticky rice. Check out this tiny house. I think that belongs to him. Look at that, right on top of his van. Wow. Even with a sun porch. Very cool. The back door. That's pretty cool. Okay, here he comes. He's leaving, but it's a van, and it's a van. Oh, how cool it looks. Yep. It's a van with a tiny house built on it. Pretty awesome. Well, Friday night, we took a break, and on Friday night, they have steak and lobster at the Emerald Isle Casino for like $24 with a shrimp cocktail. So my sister and I did that Friday night. And of course, the view of Vegas is always, kind of breathtaking for some people, but I thought I'd show you a little bit of the lights and how they look at night. Driving down the street, we go to the local places, and I kind of stay away from the strip. Once I've been there once or twice or three times, I rather go to the local places and avoid the crowds. And the Emerald Isle Casino is one of the local places we enjoy in Henderson, Nevada. Right near Las Vegas. It's not far away. But, like they say, New York, the town that never sleeps at night. Well, that's Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a town that never sleeps at night. It's always lit up. Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. We're at the ball game, and I'm voiceover this. It's cold, and we're in Las Vegas, and I'm watching my great-nephew play baseball. Too windy.
Well, I don't know about you, Mom, but I'm pretty cold because it's pretty windy, and even though I'm in my buggy, it's a little too cold for me. Okay, Anthony, come on. Hit one out of the park so we can go home. Hurry up. Chop, chop.
Well, my sister and I went RV shopping today. Well, we went, I won't say window shopping, you know, we went parking lot, blacktop shopping. Blacktop shopping. Yep. We went looking around at some RV options and I found a couple that I like and we'll see what happens. I've got this great insurance adjuster that I'm working with, and looks like we'll know by the end of the week, so keep watching. So I went by this earlier and the cop was there. Somebody went right through these people's front yard, knocked over the light pole on the ground, yeah, and went right through their fence and everything. Yeah, it looks like, did they see if it, oh no, there's the pole. Pole? Wow. So they got the cop standing by. Look at that. Right through the pole and everything in their yard and crashed it, everything. Okay, so this used to be Shenandoah. This used to be Wayne Newton's ranch, and it's now called Sunset Springs Ranch. And when my sister first moved here, we used to come here and look at Wayne Newton's horses all the time. They'd be out here all the time outside. You'd be able to just go by and see them out here in this big area here where they would just be out here. His Arabians and his Palominos, and oh my gosh, yeah, it was awesome. Well, I can't wait to have a kitchen again. But right now, Danny and I are having hot dogs. Yep, on my cast iron pan. I hope you'll continue to watch while we get in our new home. Hey everybody, how are ya? I'm doing okay. I'm still in my brace for my wrist. It's so sore. And I just wanted to let you give an update on my camper. So I am soon to be homeless. They have totaled my vehicle. Yep. Well, it's not a vehicle. It's a trailer. My recreational trailer has been considered totaled. And the insurance says that it is not safe to repair it. It would not be safe to operate and being repaired. So I'm in the process of, packing all my stuff up, packing everything up and getting ready to find a new home. So that's what I'm doing. So you'll have to stay tuned. I'm hoping that I guess it's good news that they totaled it, because I'll get a new home, a new to me home. And I've got some exploring that I did, and I'm excited because I have found a rig. So I found a new rig, and you're going to get to see it in the next video. So I hope you'll continue to watch. Have a great day and stay tuned for our next video.